Welcome to Manage Analytics Tableau Zone. This video shows how to aggregate data from any date at the final day of any week, otherwise known as the week ending date. Here in Tableau 10 is some random payroll data. Each row is the count of the individual line items for each employee per payroll batch. Each batch has the date it was entered in the payroll system. I'm going to add a worksheet, and I'm going to grab the time card count along with the date entered. And I'm going to take the date entered down to the day. And here, each plot point is the total time card count by the date the batches were entered. Let's duplicate this sheet. And let's create a calculated field. And we are going to call this week ending date. Now I'm going to nest two functions, the date add function and the date trunc function. I will explain this in a second. Let me get this typed in here. Okay, the date trunc function is going to aggregate the date entered to the weekly level. In Tableau, the default start day of any week is a Sunday. So I'm going to wrap the truncate function within the add date function to push the start week day ahead 6 days to Saturday, or the week ending date. Now I'm just going to replace my date entered with the week ending date, and I'm going to also take that down to the day, and there we have it. Each of the plot points now represent totals at the week ending day, or Saturday. I'm just going to add a simple dashboard that compares the two, and you can see the smoothness and the variation when we aggregate up to the week. One thing worth mentioning is that we can change the default behavior in Tableau to make the week start on a different day. So instead of Sunday, here I can add an optional parameter and say Monday. And in this case, it will actually change the weekend date to be actually Sunday. Thank you, and I hope you find this video useful.